Have you ever felt like you're literally fighting with an AI just to get what you want? I think we've all been there. Well, in this explainer, we're going to completely transform that struggle. We're going to take you from that feeling of frustration to real fluency, so you have the power to get reliable, targeted results every single time.
Sound familiar? You ask the AI for something specific, and what you get back is this wall of generic text that is just completely useless. It's a super common experience, but here's the thing. It's not really the AI's fault. It's a communication breakdown. So what's with the 48 hours? What does that even mean? Well, believe it or not, that's the amount of extra work just a single ambiguous word in a prompt can create for a team. Seriously, think about that for a second. One vague word can lead to 2 full days of rework, wasted money, and blown deadlines. That's the real-world cost of a weak prompt. So the big takeaway here is that poorly crafted prompts, they aren't just a minor annoyance. They have real costs. They waste your time, they burn through your team's resources, and honestly, in a professional setting, they can even make you look bad by producing subpar work.
But here's the good news. Fixing this is actually way simpler than you think. It just requires a small but really important shift in your mindset. And it all boils down to 2 simple but incredibly powerful rules that are going to fundamentally change how you talk to an AI.
Okay, so the first and most important rule is this. Clarity always beats cleverness. Forget about trying to write these beautiful, complex, poetic sentences. Look, an AI isn't your coworker. It can't read between the lines. It thrives on explicit instructions, crystal clear constraints, and really well-defined roles. The more direct and simple you are, the better your result is going to be. And look, we've got the numbers to prove it. A typical, vague prompt, it gets you an accurate, usable result only about 62% of the time. Let's be honest, in most jobs, that's a failing grade. But now, just look at what happens when you apply that one principle of clarity. Just by being more explicit, that accuracy number jumps all the way up to 93%. I mean, the difference is night and day. It's not about being a tech wizard, it's about being a clear communicator. All right, principle number 2 is something called iterative refinement. Now, don't let the fancy name scare you. It just means this. Don't try to like the perfect, gigantic prompt all at once. Start simple, get a result, and then improve it by changing just one thing at a time. This way, you know exactly what change made the difference, and you keep your prompt from turning into a bloated, confusing mess. Okay, so we've got the right mindset. Now, let's get our hands on the actual tools. These are simple, actionable techniques you can start using the second this explainer is over, for real.
First up, and probably the quickest one you'll get, is the role prompt. Just by starting your query with the phrase, act as a, and then giving the AI a specific job title, you immediately anchor its entire response. It will automatically adopt the right tone, the right vocabulary, and even the right perspective for that role. It's so simple, but it's so powerful. The second tool is what I call an output mold. This one is a game changer for saving time. Don't let the AI just guess how you want the information presented. Tell it. Be exact. Specifying the format, like asking for a table or a bulleted list, can literally cut your follow-up questions in half. And it makes the output ready to go, so you can just copy, paste, and send it off to your boss or client. Okay, now what if we combine these ideas into a super powerful method? That's what I call the strength ladder technique. It's all about building a truly rock-solid prompt by systematically layering these different components on top of each other. And we're going to see exactly how it works right now. You know, the best way to really get this is to just see it in action. So let's do it. Let's do a prompt rescue. We're going to take a really common, really weak prompt and transform it into a high-performance query, step by step. So here's our patient. The prompt is simply, write about prompt engineering. I mean, what do you even do with that? It's so vague, it's basically useless. For the AI, this is a total shot in the dark. Okay, first rung on our ladder, we add the role. Act as an expert content strategist. Boom. Instantly, the AI has a professional persona. It knows its job isn't just to define a term, but to think about how to communicate that idea effectively to people. Next up, we get specific with the task. We don't just want it to write about something, we want it to create a blog post outline. See the difference? We're not just asking for information anymore, we're asking for a specific deliverable. Now, for some absolutely crucial context. Who is this for? For an audience of non-technical professionals. This one little phrase changes everything.
It tells the AI exactly what kind of language to use, how complex to get, and what examples will actually make sense. Layer 4, and here comes that output mold we talked about. We specify the format. Format the outline as a bulleted list with subpoints. Now we are guaranteed to get a clean, organized, and immediately usable structure. No more giant paragraphs of text.
And for the finishing touch, the polish, we add a guardrail. This is just a fancy way of saying, here's what I don't want. For instance, do not use technical jargon like token efficiency. This one simple instruction saves us a ton of time editing out confusing terms later.
And just like that, look what we did. We went from a vague one-line guess to a precise, multi-layered instruction that's going to produce a professional-level result on the very first try. This isn't luck, and it's not magic. It's a system. It's a repeatable skill.
Okay, that was a lot. So how are you supposed to remember all of this when you're in the middle of a busy workday? Don't worry, we've got you. We've distilled everything down into one simple, memorable template that you can use as your pocket guide every single time. Here it is, the 5-line template. Role, task, context, format, and guardrails. This is more than just a checklist. It's a whole new way of talking with these tools. So every time you write a prompt, just ask yourself these 5 questions. Who is the AI? What should it do? What background does it need? How should the final output look? And what should it absolutely avoid? It's really that simple. This new skill, it's yours now. It's ready to go. And honestly, the best way to get fluent with this is just a little bit of practice. Try a 10-minute drill every day. Just take a normal request you make and rewrite it using this 5-line template. You will be amazed at how quickly this way of thinking becomes second nature. So, you've got the mindset, you've got the tools, you've got the framework. The only real question left is, what are you going to build first?